Hello, I'm Chris. Here's how to change gears smoothly. Some drivers experience a jerky gear change, mostly when changing down to a lower gear. Releasing the clutch pedal too quickly can make the car bump, so always release it smoothly. Changing down to the wrong gear for your speed can also cause the car to jerk. There's a couple of things we can do to smooth out any jerkiness when you change down. Try pressing the gas pedal lightly before you fully release the clutch. Also, when you raise the clutch, try holding it at the biting point for a second, then with a slight amount of gas, smoothly raise it all the way. It all happens so quick, let me show you it again in slow motion. To change down gear, off gas, clutch down, change gear, raise the clutch to the biting point with a little gas, hold the clutch for a second, then raise it smoothly all the way. But remember that you might need to brake as you change down, rather than pressing the gas, depending on the situation. Thinking and planning ahead can help to keep it all smooth. Whether you're changing up or down gear, don't rush it, and always release the clutch smoothly. Of course, it all takes a bit of practice, and getting used to your car and the engine sound will all help. Watch this video next to find out how to brake smoothly without having a jerky stop. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and bye for now.